Hey, you guys, here is an important topic and one that we thought important to include in the show, preparing your home for fall and winter. Mr. Lipford, take it away.
It's a pleasure to talk to you guys again. This is Christine Napier from Park City Television, and we're here to talk about fall and winter and preparing your home for the cooler weather. Here are some ideas on how to prep your home and get everything ready for winter.
Sorry,
it's already
Christine.
fall here in Park City, so we're a little bit ahead of you guys. But
Yep, here we are. We're ready.
we are interested in some tips for that, and I'm here with today's homeowner TV, Danny Lipford, and his daughter, Chelsea Lipford-Wolf. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Glad
Good
to be with
morning.
you.
Thank you for having us.
So I understand your patio just got a big facelift. Tell us all about it.
That's right. The homeowners here were so anxious to clean it up and get their hands dirty, and we put them right to work.
And we helped them out along the way. And what we basically did was we looked at the patio and determined it was pretty blah. It needed a little something extra. So we started with cleaning and getting it thoroughly cleaned. And then we added some patio pavers around the perimeter of the actual patio slab that dressed it up. Had a little bit of rotten wood we had to repair. And of course, paint always helps out a situation. We finished it off with a coat of translucent concrete stain that made the slab a lot more consistent, a lot more attractive, and the homeowners can't wait to get out here and really enjoy this space once it cools down just a little bit.
Oh, nice. Yes, paint always cleans everything up so well.
Mm-hmm.
So for many homeowners, fall means raking lots of leaves. Is there any way to make that a little bit easier?
Yeah, that's one of those chores nobody looks forward to, but Chelsea has found a way to make it a little easier and faster.
That's right. You know in the movie Jaws how they needed a bigger boat? Well, you just need a bigger rake when it comes to raking up your leaves. This one from Ames is 26 inches wide, so you just have so much surface area. And it's called their dual tine poly leaf rake, and that's because it has dual tines. So you're able to just grab more leaves, and you don't have to worry about it getting clogged up, so you're not cleaning it every time. And then you can just see how clean it gets your lawn in just one stroke. And then it also, my favorite feature, because I have little kids, it has this little miniature rake that attaches to it. So sometimes I can bribe them into doing yard work too, but it's also great for getting around shrubs and just tight spaces and keeping those flower beds nice and tidy during the fall. Maybe even put down some fresh mulch after you get the leaves up. Put leaves in your yard isn't really going to cause any damage to your house, but leaves, if you leave them in your gutter, can, and Dad has a solution for that.
I'll tell you what, I have repaired so many houses that have damage around the fascia, soffit area, even exterior walls, because the gutters were just not simply cleaned well enough. And that's where I thought that this is so cool. I discovered this a couple years ago. It's called Gutter Brush. It looks like an oversized pipe cleaner, but it's actually a very innovative little device that you're able to install. Actually, the homeowners were very anxious to get involved in installing the Gutter Brush. You slip it in the gutter, you slide it on down, and it prevents the leaves from getting in the gutters and clogging them up, but the water will still pass through. Made right in the good old USA, and for an average home, it's only $200 to $300 for a Gutter Brush, and easy to obtain through gutterbrush.com.
Love that.
My problem with leaves is my kids jumping in the giant piles. How can I avoid that?
I don't think we have anything to help you there.
Put a rake in their hand. They will love that. So.
That's right.
There you go. There you go. Good idea. So what can we do to prep our home for colder weather?
Well, it's always about keeping the cold air from infiltrating in the home, and those are some simple things with caulking around windows and doors. But your windows, that's an area that you really need to focus on quite a bit.
That's right. My favorite trick in home improvement, if you have single pane windows, is Duck Brand's Max Window Kit. It comes with everything you need, double stick tape that you apply around the perimeter of your window on the inside, and then you attach the plastic to the tape, and then you get out your hair dryer and you shrink it to your window. It makes it nearly invisible, so it doesn't actually look like you have plastic on your windows, but it creates that essential pocket of air that protects and insulates your windows from letting the cold air come into your house. Don't forget about the big gaps underneath your exterior doors. You just need the double draft seal. Cut it to size with scissors, so no special tools, and you're able to just slide it right onto the bottom of your door, and it eliminates that gap for the season.
There you go.
Oh, nice. We get a lot of drafts, so those are some
There you
great
go.
tips.
Yeah.
So where can we go for more information?
Well, we'd love for you to drop by our website at any time at
Todayshomeowner.com.
Great. Well, we will do that, and I feel much more ready for fall and winter. Thank you so much, Danny and Chelsea.
Yeah,
Okay,
great.
thanks for having us.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.